This is Cryptovers. Welcome to today's episode on my channel. In case you're here for the first time, do what to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to get more of what I have to offer to you. Yeah, I'm on the 21 subscribers. Yo, follow me, man. Subscribe to my channel and keep posted on what I'm about to offer you. Now, do you know that DeFi projects are bound to grow to over exponential of 300% in 2024? Yeah, not kidding about that. Now I'm going to show you the next five DeFi projects, that's decentralized physical infrastructure projects, that are bound to do perform 50x. Yeah, I streamlined my research to just the ones under 100 million market cap, where we are bound to get at least 10x in the next leg up in the market. The first on that list, not to waste your time, is the Phoenix project. This Phoenix project right here, I'll tell you my reasons. I'll tell you my reasons why I got them on my radar. I've been looking at them for a while now. You see, the rank is just 537 rank in the market cap. Though it's red right now, my bad. But the best time to scoop a market is definitely on its reds. Red is the bargain period. The green is just the greens. Do not buy when the market is green. Do not FOMO, bro. Like, damn, you don't want to FOMO. So right here, right now, we're gonna look at this guy here, Phoenix PHB price, right here, and why I thought about it. So yeah, it's under 100 million market cap. I'm not checking about the market cap, but I'm just trying to tell you what I'm looking at here, right now. So I checked the volume before I picked these guys here, because obviously I looked at them probably and put in a few bucks there to just test run them before I actually put them up here for you. So it's working. I've been making a few bucks from them so far. So right here, right now, we got Phoenix. And Phoenix here, it's on 64 million market cap, obviously. So it has max supply of 64 million, just 64 million. So, and it's been the total supply, the circulating supply is about 51 million. So it's less than less than 14 million in circulation, I think, or 15 million if I got my maths right in school. So right here, right now, we're going to check about here to know where the category belongs. It also belongs to artificial intelligence, if I'm not wrong. And you see depth in here and you see Oracle. So yeah, we're going to look at this place now and check. These are my findings and why I think they're gonna do well. So we'll check out their Twitter to see what they're talking about, and maybe do some other further investigations. But these are the five of them. The first of them is Phoenix. Yeah, and we're not going to take much of your time in this first video. We're just going to make it as short as possible. Yeah, places you can get them. They are live on Binance, and you can skip to up to the fourth page to know where they are available, to know where you can get them to. So yeah, they are all available right there. So now we're going to check what are we going to look at. We're going to look at 24 hours trading volume. It has our $6 million trading volume. That's the amount that has moved in this market today, just today, 24 hours movement. So add to portfolio. 10,000 persons added this bro here to the portfolio. So you see people are watching this. So it's not like it's a very good project, but it's not an investment advice. I'm just giving you my overview and projects I think about that they're going to do with their bangers. Now let's look at their Twitter. Let's get straight to their Twitter and just look at the X. X, not Twitter. Now my bad. So yeah, take it to your X, homie. So now we look at the X, look at people following, look at decentralized AI elastic compute infrastructure, smart auto scaling network. So here we're going to look at how activity has been in the past few days. So okay, I think he's got some stuff going on. I think he's got some stuff going on here, and it's been pretty active with pretty engaging communities. And this is what people like to see. Is what people like to see exactly. And if you're looking to hold for medium term or long term bag, I think you should consider this guy here. So now I get over to what we're here for. The second one on my radar, on my list, on my bucket list, is this guy here, Radworks. Yeah, I know you haven't heard of most of you haven't heard of these projects right here, but I can't lie to you, bro. Like, I'm really keeping my eye on these guys here. So man, this guy is 6% up. I don't know since when, but it's 6% up. So it's not an investment advice, but I'm trying to tell you. Now I look at the volume very well. You see, 24 hours it's at 14 million dollar volume, and it's up. Though it's green though, but you can wait for a leg down, bro. Like what like right now, it's probably going to go down. Maybe It's still on the leg up, maybe on the run for some wine nights on the from last from the last 24 hours it got up. I think the upside has been in the last 24 hours or so. So, but this is still a very young market, you know, almost, almost, So it's a very young market, I think so. So, but now we're going to look at it, and you may just do yourself a favor when you're checking them out to check why it is pumping in the last 24 hours, why it is growing. But that's not my base. I've been holding for quite a while now, and my bags are not down, I think. So I have a couple of dollars to spend on stuff I want to spend them on. So now, without wasting much of the time, we're gonna get up to the next on my radar. That is Steam R. Steam R token. Yeah, Steam R token. What are we talking about here? Steam R. Where my brothers are? Yeah. Okay, yeah, stream. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. I got stream for y'all. So stream, yeah, that's my brother there. So when I look at this project here, you see it's I'm not looking at the price when I consider projects. I look at the market cap. This gives me a leverage of what I'm to expect in terms of gains and everything right there. So when I see a project less than 50 million market cap, I know that in terms of a marketing, like a utility project, I don't mean a meme coin. Most meme projects, once they are up 29 million, they're almost done from there. If an average Solana meme that launched 24 hours ago that is 29 million is bound to get down and still go up. But a utility project at 29 million is still starting, So I wonder why these guys are up. So I picked them five for them because I researched them last week and I kept an eye on them before I brought them out to you guys to look out for them. So they probably been tested, and I can't say trusted, because nothing lasts forever. But I say I've been tested. They've been tested, and yeah, I've made a couple of bucks from them though. So you can look at this. This is Stream R, and it's a data project, obviously. So the data projects have been in the rile-ups for a while now, and you see they got a lot of socials: Twitter, Telegram, Snapshot, Discord, YouTube.com. So yeah, you can check them out. Check them out. Find out more for yourself. I'm just giving you tips. Giving you a line on what you should be looking at. So now we look at the next one on our radar. We're gonna look at the Moon Chain. Yeah, Moon Chain. So these guys here, I ain't just guessing here. No, these are practically from my set down matrix and all that. My videos are one of my videos. I made a video on tools. I used to find these guys here. So I use tools there. I made a video. I'm gonna put the link in the description to help you in case you want to get them first hand. But here I'm giving it to you first hand. In case you come out across this video, do what to do your own personal research. NFA, not a financial advice. Do your own research. So right here now we're gonna look at fully, trading volume for the last 24 hours is $6 million. The green candles indicate that obviously the money flows in. People are holding, they are big on this. So now you're going to do yourself a favor by checking out the white paper, checking out the medium to know the tokenomics, to know the allocations for investors, to know the price that it was sold to the investors. Maybe at this point you should know, maybe check the token unlocks according to applications are listed before on tools you should use for research, and know if this month they are supposed to unlock a certain amount into the market or so. So you check out their GitHub, check out but I'm gonna just give you a guide on what you should look out for. She's deep in this one. So I see the leg ups here, bro. Like, I ain't just going guess for y'all. You should just take a look at this guy here and make your decisions right there. So right now we're going to look at the last but not the least. I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible. I'm your guy here, Cryptoverse. I'm gonna like you to give me a subscription, bro. Just subscribe to my channel, bro. That's all I ask, bro. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna give you legit projects here. I'm gonna just give you meme coins that are gonna give you the next 10x, 100x free of charge. I don't charge no money. I won't DM you for money. Please subscribe to my channel and keep comment. Anything you want me to talk about for you, any tutorial you want at all, comment down below and I'm gonna do it for you. So let's check the last one. It's a Robonomics. Yeah, that should sound familiar to you. Robonomics. So right now we are be reminded that we are just looking at the Depping projects. Yeah, I'm about to spinning though. Yeah, but I ain't that bad. I got my hands up and that stuff. So now what are we doing right here, bro? Call mama, bro. Call mama. I got this shit, this nigga. I ain't calling this shit, bro. I got this nigga here last week. Probably I got it last week. So one day I might just share my wallet, not my wallet. Now I might just share what I hold for you to know. Probably, but it's not an investment advice actually. So this project here, I want you to know that it's from research. I got them out from here. You may not even find them if you look for them. But yeah, this is it. So in the last 24 hours, it's at 11 million volume, bro. Like, this is good. This ain't bad. This ain't really bad. Okay, okay. It's not really bad to start with. So right here now, we're going to look at this and make your decisions. You're going to look at the community, look at what they have to offer, and you're going to do it to check out, all other tools for yourself and see what they're all about. Now we're going to check off news. Top crypto wallets enhance the offering with no. This is from not for us actually. Now, what I use mostly if I find the project doing well, what this is what they call this simulation strategy. When Pepe was on the move, Monkey Pepe followed suit. Like everything that had Pepe, literally everything that had Pepe on it was booming. When the time of metaverse this, metaverse that, meta everything was just going haywire. So right now, if you have a project that did 500% the last 24 hours, similar coins should do you good. You see, they're probably related. I talked about Moonchain here before now, so I ain't wrong if I say that you should look at these guys here. Look at why they are pumping. Look at why they are up in the last hour or minute ago. So I'm gonna stop this video here and let you take your time to do your further research and make your decisions. Thank you.